So you got the 143 Vinyl Summer Craft Pack 2024 and you're ready to start crafting. So let me show you all the goodies that are inside. So this craft pack came with 3 UV DTF decal projects and 3 DTF transfer projects. Now it is time to do our 3 projects with the DTF transfers. So the first one we have is the Be Mermazing with our beautiful little mermaid. And we are going to be putting this on the black t-shirt. And we also have this summer floral print that is going to be going on our classic pink. We also have the canvas tote bag with this really fun Grab Life by the Claws design. And you got to pick between 4 colors of tote bag. We had the pink, we had mint, we had red, and we had light pink. We're going to start out using our pink shirt. We're going to get it all lined up and we're going to give it a really quick pre-press. Okay, now we are ready to place our design here. We're going to place it about 3 inches from the collar. That's just kind of the standard. And then we are going to press at 329 degrees for 20 seconds. Okay, and then we are going to let this cool. And while this one cools, we are going to go ahead and press our other t-shirt. And as this one presses and this has cooled, you can go ahead and remove that carrier sheet. We're gonna let this one cool as well. And while it cools, let's go ahead and give our pink shirt its second press. And then as this one cools, go ahead and peel that carrier sheet. And there we go. We have our beautiful classic pink shirt with our beautiful floral summer design. And we are going to give our Mermazing t-shirt another 20 seconds. And there we go. We are ready to be Mermazing this summer. All right, so next we are going to do our canvas tote bag. And I actually have a pressing pillow with me because with tote bags or any really small shirts or anything, you want to be really careful with any kind of seams, the handles, anything that is going to be under the heat platen. It could cause some pressure issues. You're not going to get as even distribution. So we have the pressing pillow, or you can use a towel to make sure to elevate the design up and away from those seams. And then we just lay it on our press. We're gonna give it the pre-press. Using a pressing pillow will increase your pressure a little bit because it has that thicker surface. So just be mindful of that. You may have to adjust your pressure a little bit when you make the tote bag. So then we're just going to line it up. And then once you have it placed and ready, you do the same thing. You just press for 20 seconds. And then same thing, you just want to make sure it cools down. So I'm actually going to remove the pressing pillow for this because this pressing pillow will hold on to heat and we want to do this quickly, right guys? And then after it has cooled, you can go ahead and start removing that carrier sheet. And then we're going to place the pillow back inside and another 20 seconds. And there we go. It is perfect and ready for your beach vacation or just your staycation by the pool. Okay guys, I hope that this has helped you guys make some amazing projects. I hope you loved each and every one of them. And if you have any questions or concerns, don't ever hesitate to reach out to our amazing customer service team. Thank you for grabbing that 143 Vinyl Summer Craft Pack 2024. And we will see you guys later.